Okay, here I got a Series 3 My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew Series blind bag. I purchased this along with a second one last Monday from Big W. It was the last two they had. I figured why not? They weren't that all expensive, so let's have a look what's inside of them. So we'll start with this one. Let's have a look. So we cut this tape. Come on. There we are. Trying to keep this on camera. There we go. There we go. Took a little doing. We got there. Alright, here we are. Ooh, confetti everywhere. Now I have to get that out of there somehow. So I have to sort of open her up. Remove the There we go. Ooh, what do we have here? Little Twilight Sparkle. During the ceremony, she holds a Mayor of Honor banquet. That might be what I got in here. Whoa. Hey. I somehow always seem to get Twilight. Translucent. Interesting. That's her little thing she sits in. How does it sit in there? Oh wait. Which way does it go? There's one. Let's clean that out of the way. Spend 1,000 years trying to clean that up next. There we go, got the next one. Come on. Just cut that in there a little bit. There we go again. Let's open that up and get more confetti everywhere. Ooh. One hit me in the face. Alright, let's open her up. Ooh, yeah. DJ Pone 3. DJ Pone 3. She plays a song when the princess trots down the aisle. Cool. Try and see if I can open this without destroying. Yeah. There she is. Cool. So does that fit in there like that? Get rid of all this. There we have it. Two little figures. Pretty cool. Now I have to clean up all this mess. Anyway, thanks for watching.